Hey tubes, what's up? I'm just here today to do a response video to Big Brudda motorcycle reaction response to when my Jugger put his bike into the hole that was filled with water. So I did a video like this before, but the video quality was poor because the camera had issues, so I got a new camera now, new mic, so we're ready to redo this again. It's a retake, so without further ado, we'll continue on to the video.
Hey there, little brothers, Big Brudda here, hanging out on Barone Street in New Orleans. It's okay, the best way that me and my friend described this is we kind of got a Airbnb house in an area that looks like Franklin's area from GTA 5. So, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's exactly what this feels like. Like apparently, like some of the neighbors like talked to us and they said like, yeah, like if you want to go to St. Charles and you want to catch the trolley, make sure you go down here and you make a right, because if you make a left, you kind of fucked. Yeah, not in a good area, but yeah, yesterday we went to the Bayou Coquille. We took like a 40-minute cab, which was expensive as shit, outside the city, and there were like spiders like the size of softballs. These things were fucking huge. Never been more on edge. And then like straight from there we went and got like some alligator dogs. And then went to the French Quarter from there. It was pretty fucking amazing, if I do say. If you like, I don't know like the age groups here that I'm addressing, but if you're 21 and over, I highly recommend coming here for visiting. It is a lot of fun, especially when you're here with your friends too. That said, we do have a place that only has one bathroom. That fucking sucks for 7 people. Anyway, let's see what the fucking gang's up to. Oh, hey man. Pretty good. You're not looking too good.
Yeah, could be better.
Damn. Sorry to hear. So as you can tell, this is a girl's room. There is shit everywhere. Oh. Hey, what are you guys talking about? What?
You don't want to see this one.
See what? Is it a pomosa?
Yeah, Jesse, Mark, and Corn threw your bike in a hole.
Take it in there.
Oh shit.
Wait,
want that
what?
shit drenched. I
Yeah,
want to be able to get it out.
revenge for the fuchsia car thing.
Good, the mirror's
Are
broken.
you fucking kidding me? They put my fucking bike in a hole?
There you go, you're strong.
Yeah. I
Take a
guess so.
deadlift.
What? What the fuck?
It's in.
I painted his fucking car pink and he puts a motorcycle in the fucking hole?
Yeah, I think
Like-
you went too far. It's ruined.
Jesse, you're in trouble.
Hey, guys, come on.
What the fuck is wrong with him? God fucking damn it.
Anyway, no, but that's what I'm saying. If you know, if it's not just one person, if you get two people, I would.
God fucking damn it, God fucking damn it, God fucking damn it, fucking God. I'm fucking shaking. It was a joke. I painted your car pink as a joke. You can repaint over that. And you take my fucking motorcycle and you put it in a fucking hole? You're a fucking asshole. You're a fucking asshole. When I get back, you are fucked up. You are fucked up. Bad move, dude. Bad move.
Wow. So there you have it. Yeah. Well, you know what you could have done was he could have repaint the car, or he could have just used the pink car for breast cancer awareness. Anyway, that's all I have to say about this response, and hope to show you more videos in the future. So if you like, please subscribe. Bye for now, tubes.